In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add IP in AdsPower. To get started, open the AdsPower application on your computer and wait for the main dashboard to fully load. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus new profile button. In some setups, you may also see an option called single import, and either one can take you to the profile creation area. When the new profile window opens, begin by entering a profile name. It's a good idea to use a name that helps you recognize the profile later, especially if you plan to manage more than one. After that, choose the browser engine you want to use. This setting depends on your workflow, so just select the option that fits your needs. Next, scroll down until you reach the proxy section. Here, you'll want to change the toggle setting to custom. This allows you to manually enter the IP and proxy details instead of using a default setup. Once custom is enabled, click the proxy type drop-down menu and choose the correct protocol for your proxy. This could be HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5, depending on the information provided by your proxy service. Now enter your proxy details into the available fields. Start with the proxy host and port in the correct format, then add the proxy username and proxy password if your proxy requires authentication. Be careful while typing here, because even a small mistake in the address or port can prevent the connection from working properly. After everything is filled in, click the blue check proxy button to test the connection. This step is important because it confirms that the proxy is active and correctly configured. If the test passes, you're ready to move on. Finally, click OK at the bottom of the screen to save the profile. And that's it. Your IP has now been added in AdsPower, and the profile is ready to use.